Locations impacted include Lyons and Geneseo. The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ness County in west central Kansas, northeastern Lane County in west central Kansas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Utica, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Utica and Pendennis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Ness, Kansas. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia, central Boone County in central West Virginia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wharton, or 12 miles southeast of Madison, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Van, Wharton, Baldknob, Danville, Whitesville, Sylvester, Seth, Foster, Stickney, and Prenter. This includes Route 119 between mile markers 50 and 52. Or 29 miles north of Springerville, moving southwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. John's. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Apache, Arizona. Until 7:45 p.m. for northwestern Reno and southwestern Rice counties. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sterling, moving south at 15 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southern Rice and northern Reno counties. You can expect 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Sterling, Nickerson, and Alden. Markers 83 and 88.